So how to take full page screenshot? Open browser or any website. Now volume up and lock button press together, or you can do it with Siri. Take a screenshot, then it will take a screenshot. Now open the screenshot. Now go to the full page. Now you are able to take full page screenshot. And if you want to mark something, suppose I want to mark this area, then it will be saved with your screenshot. You can colorize your pen. And if you don't want to take full page, suppose you want to like only from middle, then top right corner press on crop. Now you are able to crop your area as well. Once done, press on done, and to save to photo, or you can save as a PDF file as well. I am saving as a photo. Now go back to your gallery. Now here is the screenshot. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.